Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. Today in this episode this is Armaf. I bought a few Armaf the last few months and I didn't have the time to basically unbox them, but today I thought I'll do an unboxing video with first impression. Some of these Armafs are maybe a few months old, some of them are 1 or 2 years old, and some of them are very recent, so it's a combination of all of these. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. Thank you very much for watching. I'm having my coffee. Oh, it's hot. Okay, so let's go forward. All right, so as you can see, I got a box. It's full of Armaf, and let's go through this. Okay, let's open the first one, which is the newest one, and this one is called Armaf Magnificent pour Homme. Wow, so the name is nice. As you can see, the presentation is quite nice. It's a cylinder. Okay, let's go forward. All these, by the way, all these Armafs are around 20 to 30 pounds. You can find them online. Some of them might be a little bit cheaper, but they're all very good value for money. Okay, so let's go forward. Okay, how do you open this? Okay, the presentation is very cute on this. As you can see, Armaf Magnificent pour Homme. How do you open this now? Okay, it comes out like this, which is quite nice, and the bottle is very cute. Look at that, very cute bottle. The boxing is very good. Wow, Armaf is stepping up their game, man. You know, this is very good. Wow, the bottle is so heavy. It's like basically half a kilo of bottle. Okay, it's very heavy. It's very cute. It looks like combination of heavy glass and metal. The cap is super heavy. Looks like a glass as well. Wow, very nice. It says Armaf on the top. Okay, and let's see how is the atomizer. The atomizer is like that. Very good atomizer, fantastic. Wow, so far so good. Beautiful presentation, beautiful bottle, atomizer good. And let's see what it smells like. Wow, fantastical. I'm telling you, the quality, first thing you've noticed is the quality. This one is the large years ahead from the other Armafs I smelled before in terms of quality. Basically, when you smell it, it's like you're smelling a £100, £150 perfume. Okay, very smooth, very good quality, no alcohol whatsoever. I think this is the EDP. Yeah, this is the EDP. It says made in France. Okay, but what does it smell like? Smell quite sweet, very woody. I don't know what is Armaf is copying something or not. I don't know, but the smell is very nice. It's very it's a little bit gourmandish as well, but woody, sweet, little bit floral. Wow, very good. I'm telling you, if you smell this, you won't think it's Armaf. It's superbly good. Okay, so this is, as I said, unboxing and first impression, so I don't want it to be a very long video. Okay, but first one, my goodness, very superbly good. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be the very famous Armaf, the Pride of Armaf. So this is, we know, is supposed to be clone of Pure Sauvage. Okay, the presentation in this is very nice. As you can see, it's like a sliding box. It's very good. Okay. Alright. Okay, the quality of the box is very good. It's quite nice and heavy. The bottle, again, very heavy bottle, glass, combination of glass and I think it's metal. Wow, very, very heavy cap as well. The presentation is very, very cute. Okay, let's see how this one. Okay, the atomizer, fantastic. So far, superb. Okay, so how does it smell? Yeah, surprise, surprise, is Dior Sauvage. Wow, but the quality is superb on this. Wow, beautiful. Because you see, I have I think about 3 other alternatives or copies or clones of Dior Sauvage, but this one by far is the best in terms of quality. Smells beautiful, gorgeous. Wow, I'm very surprised with this, but it smells beautiful. I'm telling you, it smells very good. Smell the quality. Wow. I think this one is EDP as well, so goodness me, beautiful, 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 gorgeous. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one, let's go for Armaf Hunter Intense. Okay, this one again is very famous. I have the Armaf original, that was quite nice, but this one I hear many good things about it. First thing is beast mode. Second thing is basically is a combination of few perfumes. Okay, the presentation is similar to the last one, but this one is a darker bottle. The cap again is quite nice and heavy. And let's go for the atomizer, and the atomizer is perfect again, very good. Okay, so beautiful. Wow, 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 gorgeous. Yeah, I can smell a combination of few things in here. Yeah, I can smell some Dior Sauvage, Invictus, a little Blue Chanel. Yeah, it's a combination of the, but it's gorgeous, beautiful, very fruity, very fresh. It's quite sweet, a little bit woody, but beautiful. Again, for the price, my goodness. Again, when you smell it, you don't think this is cheap, you know. It smells very good. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, the next one, let's go for Italiano Umo Nero. This is the black version of Italiano Umo. I have the Italiano Umo, and this one's supposed to be darker, and also I think black excess copy or something in that class. So as you can see, the box is quite nice. Okay, the bottle is quite nice as well. It's black with chrome. Nice cap. And let's go with the atomizer. The atomizer is very good again. So how does it smell? Yeah, fruity. Quite dark, fruity, berry-like. Yeah, black excess all over it, but it's very beautiful. It's quite dark, sweet, berries, little bit of apple. Like again, it's a bit woody, but overall it's beautiful, gorgeous. I'm very happy with this one as well. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is this one is quite unknown. I don't think anybody reviewed this so far. I think it came out this year. It's called Eternia Man. Eternia Man by Armaf. Let's see what's this all about. Okay, so the box is quite nice. As you can see, Eternia Man. It opens up like this. It's quite nice. Okay, let's go to the bottle. Okay, the bottle is same as Evoke Man. It's like a cigarette lighter. It's quite nice. It's quite plasticky, but it's quite nice. It's quite a weight to it. Okay, let's go for this smell. The atomizer. Atomizer, very good again. Fantastic. Okay, how does it smell? Eternity Man. Wow, beautiful. Wow, gorgeous. Spicy black pepper, woody. Wow, it's quite dark. Beautiful, gorgeous. I don't know what's a copy of, but whatever it is, it's very, very beautiful. Very manly. Wow, I'm very happy with this one as well. Beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one, again, this one is a new one. It's called what is it called? I think it's called the Armaf Legacy. Okay, Armaf Legacy. Looks like a Burberry packaging. Could be Burberry copied by Armaf, I'm not sure. Okay, so the box is quite nice. Opens up like this, which is quite cute. And okay. Oh, it's quite nice. Wow, different design, but quite nice. And it opens up like a cigarette lighter again. It's quite nice. And it's, the cap is, I think, is magnetic. Okay, let's go for the. All right. How does it smell? Nice. This one is fresh. Freshy, a little bit soapy. Wow, very nice, very good. But it's quite manly as well. It's quite a little bit herbal, but it's like outdoorsy, woodsy. But overall, it's beautiful. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. As I said, I don't want this video to be long because this is first impression. Hopefully I'll give you more in the future. So this one is the Leopard Fat, which is a combination of Creed Aventus and Creed Greenish Tweed. Let's see how this one smells. So this is the box, and okay, so you know the presentation is quite nice, quite glass, heavy glass, and it opens up and it's a magnetic. Okay, so let's go forward with this one. Okay, good atomizer. Okay, Green Irish Tweed first thing first. Yeah. Wow, similar, very similar. I say 90% similar to Green Irish Tweed. Wow, beautiful, but it's very close to Chestnut, okay, by Armaf. Okay, so this one is very good, I like it. And last but not least, this one, a new one again, is called Seville pour Homme. Seville pour Homme. I hope my battery doesn't die on me. Let's get this one quick. Okay, Seville pour Homme, and it opens up like this, which is quite nice. Okay, and the bottle is very cute. Look at that, very cute bottle. It's quite heavy glass. Opens up like this. Okay, and let's see the atomizer. The atomizer, very good again, very good atomizer. And smell. Wow, beautiful, very nice. I don't know what it's a copy of, but it's very familiar. But amazing, wow, wow, wow. Wow, it smells very nice, fresh. woodsy, a little bit green, but overall is beautiful. Again, very good. So all of these are fantastic, and as I said, they're all between 20 to 30 pounds, sometimes a little bit cheaper as well. But for what you get, for the money you pay, goodness me, Armaf is doing fantastic job. Well done, Armaf. Keep it going, and I'm telling you, these big companies are in big trouble. I'm telling you, the quality is getting better, the smells are getting better, the combination of the basically the perfumer is getting better, and the quality of the ingredients getting better as well. So overall, I'm very happy with this Armaf haul. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you have a question, put it down there, and if you know any of these, tell me about it, and I see you when I see you. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and bye.